G'day and welcome to Stramit, where safety is our #1 priority. Today I'm going to demonstrate correctly how to load your vehicle to reduce the likelihood of your load being damaged, loose in transit or worse, falling off your vehicle. This will include the front and rear overhang limits, the maximum weight on roof racks and how to effectively restrain your load. Firstly, I'll be demonstrating the maximum vehicle overhang limits. Overhang limits have been legislated by state transport authorities such as the RTA, Vic Roads, Queensland Transport and Main Roads Western Australia. The maximum front overhang is 1.2 metres from the front of the vehicle, providing the driver's vision is not obstructed and the load can be secured effectively. In the case of a double rack system, Stramit allows an overhang limit of 1.2 metres from the front support rack. The maximum rear overhang of a vehicle is 60% of the wheelbase. In the case of this vehicle, the wheelbase is 3 metres. Calculate 60% of 3 metres, or use one of these tools kept at each Stramit branch which calculates it for you. The maximum rear overhang on this vehicle is 1.8 metres. Remember that it is always measured from the centre of the back wheel, not the rear of the vehicle. When loading trailers, the following legislative requirements apply for overhang. No front overhang is allowed and little or no rear overhang is allowed. To measure this, measure the distance from the front of the trailer to the axle. This is the maximum distance from the axle to the rear overhang of the product. Ensure that you have a bright coloured flag attached to the back of any overhanging load. Unless you have proof that your vehicle and racks can exceed the safe loading limits, the maximum weight on the roof racks is 40 kilograms for sports racks and 100 kilograms on trade racks. Some examples of proof you can provide to show that the vehicle can take more weight is an engineering certificate, paperwork received with the racks, safe working load stickers on racks and the vehicle handbook. When restraining your products, please consider the following key aspects: sharp edges, slippery surfaces and the number and type of restraints. Metal products loaded directly on metal racks can result in a slippery surface, which can cause your load to move in transit. To prevent your load moving on the racks, use rubber strips, cardboard or carpet between the product and the racks. Sharp edges can cut through rope and webbing. Protect sharp edges with webbing covers, cardboard, packaging or carpet. Use a minimum of 1 restraint per anchor point. Webbing ratchet straps are more effective than ropes. When using ropes, you may require more than 1 rope per anchor point. Please refer to the lashing requirements in the owner pickup guidelines or speak to your loader if you're unsure. Remember that even loads in trailers need to be restrained so they cannot come out. Stramit loaders have been trained to ensure that your product is loaded and restrained to meet safety and legislative requirements. If you have any questions, please ask your loader. They'll be happy to assist.